welcome everyone. Thanks a lot for staying with us. You're watching Plain Speak with me, Shivani Gupta, and we're joining you live from the CNN News 18 and Federal Bank Primetime studio. Now, outrage has grown across the capital after 3 students died in a waterlogged basement of a coaching center in Old Rajinder Nagar in Delhi. The crackdown by the authorities came after mounting pressure from students protesting, demanding justice from the government and action against illegally used basements. The owner and the coordinator of this Rao's IAS Study Circle and 5 others have been arrested, booked for culpable homicide and other charges. Delhi Police has also this afternoon served a notice to the MCD itself, which on its part is now surveying all such buildings, and 13 other coaching institutes and offices running in basements have been acted upon just in this area. I'm not talking about the entire city. A survey of all the buildings running any such illegal libraries or offices or gyms in the basement is ongoing, and anybody who has lived in Delhi or any major city in the country would know that there would be hundreds of such enterprises working out of basements. Now, New Delhi Lok Sabha MP from the BJP, Basuri Swaraj, blamed Aam Aadmi Party's utter apathy for the death of the students and demanded that there be an inquiry committee set up under the Home Ministry. The Aam Aadmi Party on its part says that they did as ministers what they could. They have no cooperation from the bureaucracy in Delhi because they all report to BJP-led central government. Now, it would be most convenient to do politics on this issue, and the outrage will die down after a few days like it does in most such cases. But anyone, like I said, who has lived in Delhi knows the complete and utter corruption of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi that runs across the city in the most pervasive manner. It doesn't matter who controls the MCD, BJP, Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party. The reality is that there is rampant construction and illegal use of space all around us. We've all become normal to it. So the question we ask this evening is actually this: is it time for a complete overhaul of the MCD? Is this body even functioning as we speak? We'll take that to our guests in just a bit. Now, the coaching institute building norms were flouted. That is known. Building certificate had no permit for a library in the basement. In fact, on August 9, 2021, the building completion certificate got allowance to house 2 staircases, 2 lifts, 2 lift lobbies, parking bay, car lift and a household storage, mind you. So the flagrant disregard for norms was actually flagged as recently as June 26 and beyond this year. A UPSC aspirant made the complaint against the coaching center himself to the MCD. This is a civil service aspirant, Kishore Kushwaha, who had filed a complaint just in June. In his complaint, Kishore Kushwaha wrote that the institute was running classroom without NOC in the basement and that test classes were being run without permission. He alerted on the possibility of a major accident. He also said illegal classes were being run, putting students' lives at risk. So exactly what has transpired. When MCD didn't pay heed to his June 26 complaint, Kushwaha sent another reminder on July 15, stating that it's a very important matter, an urgent issue, and MCD must take strict action. On July 22, he wrote another reminder to the MCD, asking them to take action as this was about students' life and safety. Now, amongst those arrested are, as I mentioned, Rao IAS Center's CEO and coaching coordinator. As many as 4 people who are said to be the owners of the basement have been arrested, and there is even one person whose video wading through high water on the street went viral. He is being blamed for rash driving and therefore has been arrested because it is believed, or the police says, that because of him the water went gushing into the basement. I'll come back to this in just a bit. Then there are some officials who have been suspended. Note, only 2 officials who've been acted upon and suspended, not even arrested. A junior assistant in Office of Executive Engineer in Karol Bagh and an assistant engineer in the Public Works Department, also in the same area. Now, as I'm reading out, you know a lot of action is being taken. That is some solace. But there is also a sense of how there is an attempt to put the blame on everybody else but the agencies themselves. Now, take the case of that driver who drove a car through this street which was housing this coaching center. He's been arrested because apparently him wading through this water added to the pressure of the gates on the center and led to the bursting of the water inside. Police says he was driving too fast. Now, are we to believe that the students would have been in no danger but for this car passing through this street? It doesn't look like, at least in that video, that the car is going through too fast. On another note, today bulldozers were in action on the street, breaking down pavements and the street itself, because drains had been covered up and concretized by the locals. And the agencies, all the agencies combined in the national capital, saw this only today. This is the absurdity of this case, where every action is now suddenly being taken by every agency, including the Delhi police, and it seems like they don't want to do what is actually required to be done. And is that MCD corruption? Is MCD's corruption to be blamed for the 3 young aspirants' life ending abruptly? Let me just paint a picture for you. So the MCD says that by June end, they had completed desilting in the national capital, but they've also ordered a probe to check if damaged pipelines led to sudden water logging, because that would then come under the Delhi Jal Board. MCD is presenting a flurry of defences after this tragedy has transpired. It is saying it is carrying out these inspections now to check if violations are taking place in all buildings with heavy footfall. But why now? Only now has the body woken up to take cognizance of 13 centres found to be in violation in this old Rajinder Nagar area itself. You can imagine the scale of this going on across the national capital. In a big admission, MCD says that yes, building bylaws were violated and there was an action on their part. But look at what the defense is. The excuse is that they cannot visit every building. They don't have the staff to do that required job. So the question we asked today is simply this. 3 young people have lost their life. There have been other waterlogging and rain-related deaths in the national capital. Is it now time to completely overhaul the municipal body in the national capital, which regularly brings us this shame? And we'll take that to our guest joining us in just a bit.
बहुत दुख से मुझे कहना पड़ता है कि दिल्ली सरकार की लापरवाही, यहाँ तक कि आपराधिक लापरवाही के कारण इन बच्चों ने अपनी जान गंवा दी।
एलजी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ब्यूरोक्रेसी का इस्तेमाल कर रही है।
राजेंद्र नगर के केस में जैसे मैंने बताया कि जो स्टॉर्म वाटर ड्रेन है अलॉन्ग साइड द रोड, वो कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड थी। और ये समस्या एक्चुअली दिल्ली में कई जगह है।
किन अधिकारियों की नाकामी की वजह से आज इस तरीके का लापरवाही रखी गई, उन अधिकारियों ने क्यों नहीं एक्शन लिया, और कमिश्नर उस पर खुद एक्शन ले रहे हैं और एक हाई लेवल मीटिंग इस पर बुलाई गई है जिस पर बहुत जल्दी एक्शन लिया जाएगा।
There is no demand. I would say it's a request. So first is that why these kind of things allowed in our capital? Okay, that's thing. Okay, so that also a reputed institution. IAS it's a reputed post. No, how they allowed this?
Let's go across to our guest joining us. Harish Khurana is spokesperson of the BJP. Umesh Sehgal is former chief secretary in the national capital. Anmol Panwar is spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Ashish Dikshit is lawyer, also joining us. Harish Khurana, I do start with you. I know that the Aam Aadmi Party is now in control of the MCD. It has been under your control for many, many years. And frankly, that's not the issue here. As I said, regardless of who controls the MCD, it is clear that this body doesn't work for Delhiites. There is rampant corruption. Harish Khurana, I am from Delhi. I know this. There is rampant corruption in the MCD. No party change has changed this scenario. It is the citizens who suffer. Nothing happens to the MCD itself.
Shivani, before I comment to what you have asked, I would like to pay a condolence to the family who have lost the 3 people who have lost their life. From the BJP side, we want to pay a condolence to them. Now, you're talking about only MCD. No, it's a clear-cut case of a corruption from Delhi administration also. I'll tell you what the reason is. A month before, student writes a letter to MCD that the desilting has not even happened, and due to that, some incident can happen. No action was being taken at that point of time. Desilting has been done only in papers. On the ground, if you see, not only Rajendra Nagar, if you see whole Delhi, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, half an hour rain will pour whole Delhi into ransom because of the rain. We have seen in the past also, we have posted many videos on this. So my point is, the people who are involved is PWD and the MCD. MCD culprit is, the reason is because of the illegal construction. One of the reason is this, and also they have not done the desilting. So PWD is also involved in this, and the MCD is also involved in this. You have holded the owner of that institute. Fine, very good, you have done that. But what about the ground people who are responsible? Say
Yeah, so no action gets taken on them, na? That's exactly the question that citizens in Delhi are asking.
Shivani, that's what I'm saying.
No officials ever land up in jail, even if they get suspended.
Shivani, that's what I'm saying. We should launch a criminal negligence case against these people, whether it's a politician, whether it's a higher authority, whether whomever it is. We are seeing 4 दिन पहले, we have not taken a thing. 4 days before, in Patel Nagar, one of the also UPSC aspirant has died because of electrification on that. You have not taken that into scenario also. How many people will die in this? No action, only.
But Harish Khurana, you are
Just a topi transfer. Topi transfer. LG is blameable. Why? PWD comes under directly to you. 2 years before you says कि MCD responsible है. अरे आज तो MCD आपके पास है. Who is responsible now?
No, that question, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party will answer. But, you know, my question is larger, and the problem we are facing is larger. Yes, there is a multiplicity of authorities in the national capital. I am not sure, I discussed this a few days ago, I am not sure if it runs to the benefit of the national capital. It always creates lacunas and problems for us because each agency passes the buck to the other. We've really got to come together and do something about this. This is the national capital we're talking about. It should be an example for the rest of the country and the rest of the world. But you are only blaming the Aam Aadmi Party today, Harish Khurana, because they are in government, so they control PWD, DJB, etc., and they are in MCD. Till 2-3 years ago also, I am not going to deny the fact that this accident could have happened 2-3 years ago also, when the BJP was in control of the MCD.
Shivani, please understand 2 things. Last year we see a flood situation in Delhi because of what? Desilting of that. We have not done your desilting, PWD department not done. This year also, this is not a first case. I mean, people have died. It's sad. But whole Delhi, if you see a whole Delhi scenario, a small water, I mean a small rain for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Look at the situation in Delhi, what is happening. You are saying you have done a lot of work of desilting, but only on papers.
Okay.
Still corruption should
Anmol
not end.
Panwar,
And
please
also,
respond to this.
10 seconds,
Yeah.
ma'am. We need a full-time chief minister, ma'am. Where is our chief minister? He's in jail, and you cannot run a whole Delhi administration through a jail. We should understand that. हमें किसको responsible माने? Chief Minister is answerable to everything, but unfortunately, he's in jail, enjoying over there. Whatever he's doing, I don't know what he's doing over there.
Okay, I'll come to the Chief Minister issue in just a bit, but Anmol Panwar, answer this question. The basic premise of the Aam Aadmi Party in its core and in its politics is that we are different from others. And over the last 10 years, and 10 years is a long period to be in power uninterrupted. You've been in power in the national capital, you've been in power now in the MCD. You're running out of excuses to give.
Shivani ji, we must not act ignorant because we all are learned. We all know what's going on in Delhi, and every citizen of Delhi knows that the real culprit is the BJP, which in collusion with the LG and the official is actively working to turn the lives of all the Delhiites into a nightmare. And the video which was posted by the Honorable Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, it serves as an evidence that our ministers were repeatedly demanding desilting before the rain started. On 13 February 2024, a meeting was called by the Delhi Cabinet Minister, Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj, for interdepartmental coordination on desilting drains and addressing waterlogging. But none of the department secretaries attended the meeting. Even the chief secretary didn't come. So it is for the BJP to answer that why are they intentionally and deliberately halting this desilting. And the LG is responsible for this because the officials directly report
One
to
second,
him.
you're saying halting the desilting. Can I just come in here? Because the MCD is saying they've done all the desilting by the end of June.
Yes.
So how is
Yes.
it halted?
Let me complete. Let me take you
No, no.
through the chronology of
First
events.
you
Let me complete.
first settle this.
Shivani, I'll address this. I'll address this question, but let me complete. After 13th of February, another meeting was called on 20th of May, wherein Mr. Saurabh Bhardwaj again requested timelines for the completion of desilting various drains along with the current status, which was to be provided within a week. And as a preemptive measure, again on June 5th, he wrote to the chief secretary. But eventually, when the letter was written on 14th June to the Home Ministry, stating that the chief secretary is not responding, then he said in a meeting that 85% of the drains have been desilted. And finally, after receiving the list from all the departments, it was shared with the assembly group for verification. And it was found that the drains were filled with silt up to the brim, despite the claim made by the officials that desilting was done.
So whose
it's a
responsibility
conspiracy.
is that?
The officials, it is the responsibility of all the officials who are working in collusion with the LG.
Yeah, so what action
and
are you
working at the
taking
behest
on
of
them?
Bharatiya Janata Party. It is,
So
see
is it
Shivani,
क्या?
please
So
please
is it
don't
क्या
tag
होगा?
it.
So is
सर
it क्या
बीच में
होगा?
मत बोलिए, आप बीच में मत बोलिए,
दिल्ली के
आप
लोग मर
बीच
गए,
में मत बोलिए,
आप बीच में बोलिए,
लोगों के आप
दिल्ली
लोगों
के
की
घर
कमर में छुरा घोप रहे हो, आप शर्म नहीं आ रही आपको?
बदतमीजी करो
आपके
तुम लोग।
ऑफिशियल्स भ्रष्टाचार
बदतमीज-
कर रहे हैं, एलजी
बदतमीज
साहब से
लोग-
कहिए उन पे एक्शन ले,
लोग
एलजी साहब से
मर गए,
कहिए उन पे
लोग
एक्शन ले।
ये हो गया, वो हो
यहाँ
गया,
पे आप अनपढ़ों की तरह बात मत कीजिए,
रिजाइन करो
आप
फिर,
अनपढ़ लोगों की
रिजाइन
तरह
करो।
बात मत
अगर
कीजिए यहाँ
बदतमीज नहीं है,
पे।
अगर
हिम्मत है
बदतमीज नहीं है,
आपके,
रिजाइन करो।
आपके
लोग मर
एलजी
गए।
साहब में हिम्मत है
लोग
उन पे
मर
कार्रवाई
गए,
करने की।
बदतमीज आदमी,
भ्रष्टाचार लोग
बदतमीज
लोगों के
आदमी।
कमर में छुरा घोप रहे हो,
बदतमीज
दिल्ली वासियों को धोखा दे रहे
दूर
हो
है,
और यहाँ पे
दूर है,
आके झूठ बोल रहे हो।
Okay, one second. Can I just come in? Can I just come in? You know, this is why people have just had enough.
Shivani-
Harish Khurana,
Shivani,
I'll
I
give you
will-
an opportunity. Just
Shivani,
hold
I
on.
will
Just hold on.
interrupt.
No,
If-
one
if
second.
he'll behave
But you
like
didn't
this,
answer
then I
my
will
question.
interrupt.
Okay, but you didn't answer my question, Anmol. You cannot have your
But-
cake and eat it too. Either the desilting was done by the MCD under you or it wasn't done. Which one is the
Shivani,
case?
Shivani, the claim made by the officials was that 85% of the desilting has been done.
Huh,
And when
but
the
it
list
wasn't
was
done.
received, when the list was received by the minister, we verified it. And in fact, the Honorable Delhi High Court stated and directed that a third-party audit must be conducted on or before 30th of June,
Huh.
2024, which was not done. A meeting was called on 28th June, wherein the chief secretary was failed to answer that why a third-party audit was not conducted. और ये भ्रष्टाचारी लोग यहाँ के भाषण दे रहे हैं, एलजी साहब से कहिए उन्हें बर्खास्त करें अधिकारियों को।
Okay,
हिम्मत
okay.
है तो आप में।
Can I just ask a
तुम्हें बर्बाद
question?
करें।
Harish ji,
कायर लोग हो,
Harish ji, I'll come
कायर
back to you.
लोग
Just
हो,
one
आपको
second.
मस्ती नहीं है,
I
सरकार
want to
और आप-
request
आप-
both of you
लोगों
gentlemen
के
to
काम में
please,
यहाँ पे बाधा
first of all,
डाल रहे हो।
please calm down and also
solving
keep
the
your
work of
keep
the
your
people
language
now.
in
Delhi-
check. Okay?
Shivani, give me 10 seconds now.
I'll come back to you. Harish ji, I'll come back to you. My question is that, okay, you are now very conveniently saying MCD officials are to be blamed because they don't listen to us. Apparently today
Shivani ji, have
the
you seen the
agencies,
video?
one
Have
second,
you seen
today
that
the
video?
agencies
Have
are
you
going
seen that?
and breaking down the street itself because the drains have been covered. That also none of your agencies saw. The fact that there were these coaching centers running, that also your local MLA is unaware of. Right? Or are you going to just blame the MCD officials? MCD
Shivani
officials
ji-
deserve all the blame. I am the one who's saying that this body needs an overhaul. And the officials
Shivani
must be
ji-
made culpable. It's not time for suspensions or termination anymore. But
No.
Anmol, people are getting tired of the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party for everything, literally everything that happens to the national capital or its citizens, blames somebody else for it.
Shivani ji, it's not about blame. This is the reality. We don't. Everyone in Delhi knows that LG is controlling all the officials. They are not even responding to the directions made
That's
by
not
elected.
new. We've had governments which were not Aam Aadmi Party governments in the national capital, and our memories are not that short. We remember that the multiplicity of agencies existed even then, but we've never seen this scenario where the elected government is responsible for nothing.
Because the dominance of non-elected over elected is the problem. The Honorable Supreme Court emphasizing
Only
the
now.
federal frame.
Earlier
Please
it
let me
wasn't the
complete.
problem. Earlier the LG and the Delhi governments used to work together. This breakdown of relationship that has taken place in the national capital is also a responsibility of the Aam Aadmi Party. You cannot run away from that.
Have you ever seen any official overriding the decisions of elected ministers, emphasizing the federal framework established by Article 239AA?
I'm sorry, you've got to come to the reality that Delhi is not a full state. Once you come to that reality, then you can move forward.
Will you allow me to complete?
No, I'm asking, the question I'm asking you, you're not answering.
I have already answered. In very specifically, I have answered that the desilting report which was given.
So is only
by the
desilting
official
responsible
was on
for this?
paper.
No other reason why this happened? No other fact that there is corruption in letting these institutes running? No, desilting is an issue, but there's corruption in letting...
Why are you acting so ignorant?
I'm not acting ignorant. Anmol, now just pipe down for a second, please. Okay? I'm not acting ignorant. But I'm not going to take your word for what you're saying. This is a political excuse for what has happened. Desilting is not the only reason why this has happened.
No, but
there is corruption in the MCD, and if Aam Aadmi Party has been in power in the MCD for 2 years, then it is your responsibility if corruption happens under your nose.
LG must immediately remove the MCD commissioner.
So what are the elected representatives for? The mayors are what, dummies there?
See, this is what I was stating earlier. The service is live with the LG. The Honorable Supreme Court 5-judge bench granted the decision in the favor of Delhi government.
You know, I feel, Anmol, no matter how much you bark up this tree, the public is not going to have sympathy. No, one second. The public is not going to have sympathy over the fact that you don't have control over the bureaucracy. No, you're saying the same thing over and over. You're saying the same thing over and over that, oh, we don't control the bureaucracy. We don't control the bureaucracy. We don't control the bureaucracy. No government in Delhi has ever controlled bureaucracy. You are not new. I want to go across to Umesh Sehgal as well. This excuse of the fact that we don't control bureaucracy. How much? Fine, some of it I can understand. I'm myself accepting that the multiplicity of agencies should end in the national capital. We need to figure out whether it's going to be a UT or not be a UT or come under the central government or come under the elected Delhi government. We really need to figure this out. But is that an excuse in this case? Umesh Sehgal.
Well, I'm sorry what has happened, what is happening now with ministers making videos of official meetings and releasing them through Facebook and making open statements that such a thing has happened, that the chief secretary should be suspended, the commissioner should be suspended. I can realize how badly demoralized the bureaucracy in Delhi must be. And how do you expect people to work when you are so badly demoralized? People making speeches, making videos of official meetings. These are closed door meetings. These are not press conferences where the press comes and then you make videos and release them and then keep on shouting horse and blame everything to the bureaucracy for everything that goes wrong and take credit everything that goes right. When the school results came, you say, oh, you thump your back whether we have done a good job. When something else happens, you say we have done a good job. But the point is, when something goes wrong, you don't take the responsibility. Now, your larger question of Delhi, I was heading a committee some 15 years back during the Congress period, which when we recommended a mayor in council in Delhi, a mayor in council with most of the functions which are with the MCD and many of the functions which are now with the Delhi government come to the mayor and council, and mayor and council is like the Calcutta system. If you remember that Netaji was a mayor and council once. So that's a powerful figure. And there is no state government here. We have the central government and we have the mayor and council. The mayor and council looks after, let us say, education, medical, etc. All those activities which now go to the Delhi government. It will reduce the multiplicity of authorities. Earlier, you know, the DESU and the Jal board and all were with the MCD. They have now been taken away. They are now with the Delhi government. So you are increasing the multiplicity of authorities. I am not trying to now argue for a particular model in a press meeting like this, but the mayor and council system in Delhi, which we had recommended, I wish it had come because it would have made the mayor more powerful.
Yeah.
And,
so we need a solution. It's either this way or that way.
There is no.
Because, you know, when it comes to public works departments or when it comes to public works, things that affect, things like roads, constructions, MCD work, water, electricity, that at least should go to a single body because all of them are related things. They cannot be divided between different bodies. And that's exactly why Delhiites continue to suffer. And I want to quickly go across to Ashish Dixit as well. Ashish, the culpability here is of the MCD officials, whichever way you want to look at it. They gave compliance certificates but were failed to check what was happening, and I refuse to believe that either the Delhi police or the MCD officials don't know what's happening in their area. But why is it that officials go virtually scot-free? Do we need changes in our laws to ensure that there are criminal cases that can be filed and officials can be prosecuted? Because in a lot of our bureaucracy, we find they are protected under the Services Act.
Sadly, this is the situation. All these employees have a statutory protection that there has to be a sanction to prosecute them. But in the times in which we are currently living and the scenario which we are seeing in the city, this has to change. The MCD has a primary responsibility to ensure not only illegal construction doesn't take place, but if any illegal activity is taking place, that is reported. They should be conducting regular inspections, and this is all their statutory obligation. Just to say that political statements are being made that the MCD is not under us, the officials do not listen to us, does not absolve anyone of their responsibility. The sad thing is this, that both Delhi police and MCD have not done their duty. The MCD had this obligation of inspecting the property, that how in a basement a library of such extent is going on. And it is not only this. You go to any area of Delhi, you will see all these issues are writ large.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the means of corruption in the national capital across agencies.
Every person knows it. There are multiple matters pending in High Court. High Court has to invoke contempt jurisdiction against MCD to make their own orders complied. This is the state of affairs. And now to say that MCD has no responsibility is totally shocking and I think appalling and something which should be condemned. MCD is the primary authority in this city, which has to see that all these municipal issues of drainage, of constructing building, of inspection, of illegal construction are taken care of. To say that MCD there are no officials under us, there is nothing like this. I'm sorry, you have to work in the system which has been given to you.
Exactly.
When
and
you
this system has
contested the elections in country, and
this is
I
the
am not
system
making
that has existed forever.
Yes,
and
this is the system which
when
existed.
you contested MCD elections, you did not say that, see, we will not have the officers under us, so we won't be able to work. You said that in Delhi, problems are happening because we don't have the MCD under us. Now you have the MCD under you, and yet you're complaining.
Shivani, can you...
Exactly. And you know, this is the statutory requirement. When you participated in the election process, when you contested the election, you were aware that this is the system which is going to come to us. At that stage, you were saying Delhi government is with us, MCD is not with us, so give us the power of the MCD. Now you are saying officials are not with us. But please understand, if officials are not with you, there are service laws which have to be taken care of. There are remedies available. Simply to say on television that we don't have any control, it gives a very bad impression.
It gives a
invoke
bad
the law,
impression and
take
people are
recourse to
actually
law,
running out
but
of it.
don't-
For the
don't
public, it's
absolve yourself of any
irrelevant
liability.
whether you are getting along with the officials or not. Yes, Anmol, I'm running out of time. 30 seconds to you and 30 seconds to Harish Khurana.
Shivani ji, first of all, we are very clearly saying that MCD commissioner should be removed immediately. LG must take immediate action.
But not the
And
Delhi
you
mayor.
said- and you, Delhi mayor, we are demanding for his resignation. He must be immediately sacked because he is responsible for all these illegalities which are going on.
I'm
And
talking about
secondly-
Shelly Oberoi.
And all have been demanding his resignation. All the MLAs and councillors were protesting today, demanding his resignation. But please do not act ignorant because the services is under LG. He is the one who has to take action. He is the one who can remove the official, not the mayor. Secondly, tell me a single instance in the history of this country where a government, a democratically elected government, has been deprived of its legislative and executive power. एक बता दीजिए मुझे ऐसा example. इस देश
Ashish
के
is
इतिहास
raising
में.
his finger. Can I give 30 seconds to him? Yes, Ashish.
Simple
Any
legal
one of you,
argument.
आप तीनों में से
Since
कोई-
Okay, let him
since
respond
the-
now.
Since state of NCT Act came into picture, the Delhi has been an NCT. There has been control with the LG, but previous government never faced an issue and did not even if they had these
Shivani,
issues,
come to
what
they
did the
resolved
Supreme
amongst
Court say,
themselves.
sir?
It is not that if you
Shivani, need
wash
30
your dirty
Sir, the
linens in
Supreme
public,
Court
you are going to get some
unequivocally
sympathy.
ruled in the
It's a
favor
very
of
simple
elected
case
government.
that Delhi is a different
What
entity.
was the
Supreme
need of
Court
the
has upheld
ordinance
it.
in
Just
just
because you're
8
not doing your
days?
job, you cannot say everything has to be
Okay.
blamed
30
on someone
seconds.
other-
Harish
some
Khurana.
else.
Harish Khurana,
Shivani,
please. Other
in the
mics
month
off.
in the month of June, Shelly Oberoi, Honorable Mayor of Delhi, clearly stated in his statement that silt has been cleared now, and Delhi people will enjoy the rain this time. Is this kind of rain will be enjoying in the way the people will die?
She was misled, is what Anmol is saying.
See,
Officials
why
lied to her.
Why have you not they shouted at that point of time? This has been happened? No, because they wanted to have a habit of a topic transfer. Secondly, Anmol didn't know what the actual situation of Delhi is. My father was the chief minister for Delhi, and the rule what is today was in same in 1993 also. That time Congress was in central government. We didn't complain anything about that. Sheila Dikshit ji was
Sir,
the
it
chief
was
minister
at
for
that
15
time
years.
that the
For
senior
15
leaders
years,
of
6
BJP
years
demanded for
was
full
Atal Bihari
statehood for
Vajpayee.
Delhi.
And
Okay,
nobody-
okay. Anmol,
you
one
remember
second.
that?
Harish
Nobody
Khurana.
complained.
Your father-
Harish
Fine,
Khurana,
but
would you
statehood for
concede
Delhi.
though? One second, Anmol. Harish Khurana, would you concede though that this full statehood demand is across political parties? Like many demands, it's politically convenient to make it when you're not in power and then
We are
not
talking
when
about-
you are in
we are
power.
not discussing about
Are
this
you
issue
in
right
favor
now.
of it? One
No,
second.
we are not discussing about what the issue right now.
No,
We
no.
have
Are you
pros
in
and cons.
favor for?
We have
Are you
pros
in
and cons for
favor
this.
of
Shivani,
doing something
Shivani,
about the multiplicity of
Shivani,
agencies in Delhi?
Shivani, we have a pros and cons on this. But the problem today is,
Huh.
if the government like these Arvind Kejriwal, who always do a topic transfer, and people who will suffer is end of the day will be Delhi, whether it's a state, whether it's a multi-city authority. जब आप topic transfer करोगे, ultimately loser will, the people who will lose this will be Delhiites.
Okay. Umesh Sehgal, I want to give you the last 30 seconds as well. You've talked about a model that we could have adopted, but other than that, do you think we really need to decide the services issue in the national capital as well? You know, it might as well be completely under the central government or have an elected government. Both systems are clearly not working.
You see, I think it's much misunderstood what the bureaucrats are required to do. Bureaucrats are required to follow the constitution. Bureaucrats are required to follow the law. They are not there just to obey the orders of the ministers, and the ministers should know that. And ministers are also required to obey the constitution and the law. When things are pointed out to them, they should obey the law.
Constitution
And
which
they
says
here,
that
what happens
they
is
must
every
not
day
work on the
rush to
directions
the
of the
Anmol,
Supreme
can
Court.
you please not
You have
interrupt
in
when
the
others are
press,
speaking? 1 second, please. Yes, Umesh ji.
on TV, you are demanding the suspension of the top civic official. How do you think that a civic official is going to work? If every day, now it's none of your business. The suspension of the commissioner will be made by no less a person than the President of India. And how can the ministers here claim the right to suspend him? There is an Article 311 in the Indian Constitution also, which protects the rights of the bureaucrats. It is not just the ministers who have rights, the bureaucrats also have their own rights. You are bad workman quarrels with his tools. And here you have, I think, we are seeing a series of bad workmen who think they are excellent, but who cannot even use the tools that they have been given to them. I think what we need is more than restructuring of the Delhi government, although I would now again say a mayor and council system and the central government and no one in between will be an ideal system, a mayor and council like the Calcutta system, plus the West Bengal government replacing the central government. You will have a system which at least doesn't have multiplicity of authorities. Now that may not be politically acceptable. You may want, even Mr. Khurana wanted to be a chief minister. The point is you can't have a prime minister, chief minister in the same area. I mean, it's a ridiculous situation, and we have found in the last 20 years that this doesn't work. It doesn't work. If you remember, when the Aam Aadmi Party first came to government, they registered cases against 3 ministers of the central government. How can you function like this in the national capital or in any capital of the country?
Okay.
This is how local governments are going to behave.
You know, there is a problem,
So
and I think it's important that we all accept that that problem exists and work together to sort that issue. Regardless of what the issues are, solutions can be found if people work together, and people in Delhi have had enough of this happening again and again. Either there's scarcity of water, or there is water logging every year, or there is no preparations for pollution season, which is going to be upon us in another month's time. We'll wait and see what happens. I do thank our guests for joining us.